Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Kefeya dual laptop screen extenders. This is for 13 to 17 inch laptops. Basically it's going to give you another screen on either side, so that's pretty sweet. Nice packaging here, 1001 ratio, full HD. All right, let's check it out here. Pretty cool packaging, little manual on top. Quick setup here, start guide, how to hook up the different things that you do in different ways. All right, wow, nice little case here. Check that out. We got a little pocket here for our cords and things like that. Nice handle here, stitching, pretty sweet little bag actually, that's cool. All right, inside of that, got the laptop thing here, that's nice. Okay, and looks like it comes with all our let's see, we got USB-C to USB-C, another one, another USB-C to HDMI, USB-C to USB-A, and then use this 5H hub, so USB to USB-C, but it's got like a little power thing there too, and some instructions there, and oh, that's sweet. Got a sick little like power bank here. This is 10,000 milliamp hours. That's nice. So I guess that just plugs right on here. It's got a little magnet there. That just locks into place. So shows 66% on the battery, and that's pretty sweet. So it helped like with that. This can help like power it. If say you hook up your phone or something like that to it, it's not gonna be underpowered, because I had a screen before and I hooked up my phone to it using the DeX module, Android, and it was flickering. It'd kind of like power out because it didn't have enough juice basically to run it. So we have this external power bank, is pretty sweet. It'll help you run your things. Got a nice little tutorial here on the side, basically just a quick setup guide too for that. So that's sweet. Nice, you can charge your phones with this too. It has a couple power outs things, or input and output, USB-A and USB-C there. All right, let's open this thing up. So this just slides there. Very cool, nice little like carbon fiber look on that. Let's check this out here. This just folds open, and you can see this right here. It slides 13 to 17 inches, I believe. And this basically would just your laptop, it's got these little edges right on there. So the laptop goes there, and you just slide that down on the laptop, and it's going to kind of hold it in place. And then let's check out the back here real quick. Okay, it has this little stand that folds out too, that's going to be able to adjust. It goes up, look like 90 degrees there. We have a little power monitor here. We can adjust the settings on this. Comes with like a little speaker on here as well, so it kind of has some volume there. That's pretty sweet. Check that out. It's yeah, so we got our two 15.6 inch screens right here. So those are pretty good size. That's just gonna really maximize your workspace. You can see we have this whole area right here. Well, here we go. Just plugged in the two USB-C cords in the left-hand side of the laptop there, and then just ran them around to the back. There's just two spots to plug them in the back. You can see we got both monitors working nicely. Nice little setup here. The stand holds it in whatever angle you want on the back to support it, and also the screens are pretty stiff too, so they're going to hold where you position them. So there they are, just plugged into the back right there. Wasn't too difficult, and I'll show you how to configure the screens in the menu so you can flip-flop them or however you want to do it. So you can see we'll just drag this one window all the way across here, and it's just nice and smooth. You can just really expands your workspace here. Its setup was pretty much plug and play here. You plug them in, they start working, so it was pretty impressive. There we got our little power bank going, so you don't have to even plug in the laptop. This is going to help it be nice and smooth, and no issues with that there. Seems to last quite a while there too on the power bank. I mean, 10,000 milliamp hours is decent. So Yeah, just maximize your workstation as far as if you need like extra windows or whatever. This is just a great idea to help you with your working at home or whatever you're using it for sure.
All right, so if we want to change which screen ends up on the left and the right hand side, you're going to go into your settings, scroll down to displays, and you're going to click on arrange. And then here you can rearrange the order. So I have the left screen over here, and it's the HDMI one. If I want to move this over to, say, above my screen, and I move this one to, we'll say, just leave that one there. We can hit done here. And then now when I move my cursor up, it's going to start at the bottom of this screen over here. So that's how you want to change it. If you want to just make it just so it's completely normal, just set it off to the side of your screen. You can adjust the height of it. Usually just right there is fine. You can fix this one off to the right too. There we go, hit done.
All right, so this is cool too. I can connect this to my my phone. As you can see, it's just mirroring my phone here. I want to turn it sideways. It's going to give me like a full video of my thing. So if you want a little bit bigger display on your phone than actual that, and just plug right into my USB-C here for my Android, and just plug it right here in the back. And this, because it has this power station in the back, it's able to run that. So that's very sweet. So this is just in mirror mode, or I can just simply swipe down, pull up my DeX mode, activate DeX.
We're almost at 700,000 subscribers.
Sorry about that. So I can pull up my DeX on here and then go to my, cancel that. And then I have my DeX thing right here. So basically that just turns your phone into a keypad. So I have the DeX pulled up right here, and you use it as like a web face or interface or something like that, just if you want like a bigger screen there. So that's pretty cool. And click on, go to my channel on here, pulls that up. So that's pretty sweet. And then I can go pretty much just use this as like a little computer, and DeX mode is pretty nice with the with Android. I like it a lot. So I use this as a little desktop. Actually, I do have a portable little keyboard as well, so I can pretty much just turn this into like a little computer screen, or like a basically a little computer for your, if you want to use it as that for your phone. So it's pretty sweet. I could just like, yeah, just hook up my little USB thing and just type it in, and it would basically turns your phone into like a laptop, which is nice. You have this nice, what is that, like a 15.6-inch screen, so it's pretty sweet. I really like that with the DeX mode. What's cool about this too, it has that external power, so you are able to just run a phone on it. I've used a screen before, it didn't have that, and sometimes it would be a little sketchy running from the power from the phone. So that's a nice bonus. It's got this burly the battery pack there on the back for sure. So here's this game, Balloons TD, and you just see how responsive this is. It's just instant on here, you know, like no lag on the actual okay. So I was running basically exactly the same speed, which is really cool. I'll try to get that light out of the way. You can see that's not lagging or anything like that. It was plug and play too, which is nice. Just plug it right in, recognize right away. So whether you want to run your DeX or just a regular phone, just to switch between that, just go to your options and, well, swipe down, bring over your thing, and then there's the swipe over, there's the DeX. So the DeX one basically makes it into laptop mode, and then if you want to just play like your phone on here, like the apps or whatever, then you just switch it off of the DeX mode. Very simple and easy to use, very user-friendly. I like it a lot. Anyways, my friends, if you want to check out this laptop extender here, I'll put the link in the description below. Also, it's like, yeah, works pretty cool. I mean, if you need extra space on your laptop, like multiple screens, and you're trying to do like work on your laptop and you don't have enough room, you know, it's maybe little small windows. With this, it allows you to just, you know, basically triple your workspace on your computer and be able to just do a lot more work on there without having to switch in between windows and stuff like that. So it's super convenient. Or if you just want to throw stuff up on your phone, use your phone like a little laptop, or just a bigger screen if you're playing your games on. So Anyways, my friends, really cool device here. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.